Gravity filtration of maple syrup is crucial for several reasons, including removal of minerals, commonly known as niter, generated during evaporation, improving consumer appeal by eliminating impurities, increasing the syrup's value, and meeting standards, particularly the California standard. This crucial step helps achieve a higher quality final product with enhanced clarity. Pressure filtration carried out with a plate filter press offers an efficient method for filtering maple syrup. It is a versatile solution suitable for small, medium, and large enterprises. Before delving into the equipment details, let's quickly examine the advantages and disadvantages of this method. The plate filter press provides fast and thorough filtration, removing impurities to produce pure, delicious maple syrup. Its versatility also allows filtering other liquids such as wine, beer, or honey. Although very efficient, the plate press may require more delicate handling during assembly and cleaning. However, the results are well worth the effort invested. Several models of plate presses are available from CDL. Presses in 7-inch, 10-inch, 15-inch, and 20-inch sizes are available based on the desired filtration capacity. The rear plate, fixed to the press, plays a central role with the syrup inlets and outlets. It is crucial for managing the liquid flow. The filter paper sheets inserted between each plate are the primary filtration agents. These sheets ensure optimal filtration of the maple syrup. The empty and full plates must alternate during assembly. The empty plates allow syrup entry into the press while retaining filtration residues and filter powder. The notches on the plates must be properly aligned and all on the same side for the press to function correctly. These plates allow syrup to exit the press. Ensure the inner corner holds remain clear to avoid blocking the syrup inside. The front plate, installed after an empty plate, helps tightly secure the assembly with the 2 wing nuts. Before starting the filtration process, follow these steps to ensure your equipment is clean. Prepare a hot water solution with 1 cup of vinegar per gallon or 15 milliliters of acetic acid per gallon. Thoroughly hand wash each component that will come into contact with maple water or maple syrup. Rinse thoroughly with clear water until all washing water containing chemicals or soap is completely removed. Dry with a soft, clean cloth to remove any residual traces. To facilitate assembly, position the press at a 90-degree angle. The fixed rear plate forms the base of the press assembly. You can insert the 3/8-inch metal rods into the 2 threaded holes at the bottom of the rear plate to serve as a temporary guide during plate assembly. Add a filter paper, ensuring the paper holes align with the plates. Wet the filters with potable water during assembly, a crucial step for optimal filtration. Insert alternating an empty plate, a filter paper, a full plate, and a filter paper up to the last plates. Ensure the lines or notches on the plates are aligned and the papers are straight. Continue wetting the filter papers with potable water during assembly. Before inserting the front plate, remove the mounting rods. Insert the front plate, ensuring the filter paper is properly placed against it. Secure the plates tightly using the wing nuts. Note that the press will become hot during filtration. Once hot, stop the press and tighten the nuts again. pour the filter powder into the syrup tank, typically 1 cup per 5 gallons of syrup. The quantity may vary depending on the syrup's quality. Once the press is assembled and ready for use, it's time to add the diatomaceous earth. Store the powder in a dry, odor-free place, ideally in an airtight container. For optimal filtration, use hot syrup directly from the evaporator, adhering to the California standard at 185 degrees Fahrenheit, 85 degrees Celsius. Ensure the syrup enters the press gradually. This method allows the press to fill evenly and distribute the powder evenly, avoiding premature filter clogging. The pumps on the presses often provide a higher flow rate than the press's capacity to accommodate syrup. Therefore, the presses are equipped with a bypass valve that allows controlling the syrup flow into the press and returning the excess to the syrup pan. It is preferable to start filtration with a minimal flow by opening this valve, then adjust it gradually as the syrup enters and the powder distributes inside. This step is crucial to avoid premature filter blockage. If pressure increases, indicating less syrup passage, you can add more filter powder to facilitate the process. Continue filtration until all syrup is processed or pressure reaches 80 psi. If excessive pressure occurs, stop the pump, disassemble, and clean the press. Then reassemble the filter papers to ensure continuous and efficient filtration. Perform a visual inspection of the syrup to ensure filtration quality. Perform frequent checks at the start, then periodically during operation, until maximum pressure is reached. If necessary, recirculate the syrup through the press. When all syrup is filtered, stop the pump. Remove the hose from the syrup barrel or tank and place it in a desugaring tank. Fill the syrup pan with hot filtrate. Start the pump to push the remaining syrup in the press until water comes out. You can also direct the outlet hose to the evaporator's water pan to pull through all the sugar. Restart the pump to empty the syrup pan and press of water. Then disassemble the press. Discard the used filters in the trash. Clean all plates with hot water. Be careful not to spray water on the electric motor of the pump during this operation. This step helps ensure each component is residue-free and ready for a new filtration session. Once cleaning is complete, reassemble the press. This preparation ensures that your equipment is ready for the next stage of maple syrup production. By incorporating these usage and cleaning practices into your routine, you ensure the durability and efficiency of your plate press. Have a great season!
If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Be sure to subscribe and press the notification icon to get updates on new product videos.